Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is positive thinking. The only way that you're going to be able to excel, Scorpio, is making sure you believe in yourself. Think positive. I want your faith to be radically outside into the solar system, out above the stratosphere. Do not limit your gifts. Do not limit your blessings. Do not limit your potential. Because what you do believe is what's going to happen. So I want you to think radically, because you're so gifted in what you do. I need and the world needs. My life is full of small patches of light. I direct my thoughts to which brings me well-being. I place what is waiting for me in the hands of the universe. Little by little, the light awakens in my being, and I find serenity, I thrive, and I grow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.